The DoorDash Dasher app supports multiple languages to accommodate drivers worldwide. The process to change your language setting varies slightly between iPhone and Android devices. For iPhone users, start by opening the Dasher app and tapping your profile icon in the top left corner. Then select Account Settings or Settings from the menu. Next, look for Language or Language and Region in the Settings menu. Choose your preferred language from the available options and confirm the change. For Android users, launch the Dasher app and tap the menu icon with 3 horizontal lines. Navigate to Settings or Account in the menu. Select Language Settings or Language Preferences, pick your desired language, and apply the changes. The app will refresh to display in your chosen language. Alternatively, you can change your phone's system language settings, and the Dasher app will typically adopt this setting automatically. This method works for both iPhone and Android devices. As of August 2025, DoorDash has streamlined this language-changing functionality and expanded support for multiple languages to enhance driver inclusivity across their global platform. When the DoorDash Dasher app language doesn't change as expected, there are several troubleshooting steps you can follow to resolve the issue. The first step is to clear your app cache. This removes temporary files that might be preventing the language change from taking effect properly. Next, ensure you have the latest version of the app. Updates often include improved language support and bug fixes for localization issues. Check your device's system language settings. The Dasher app often follows your phone's primary language, so ensuring this is set correctly can resolve the issue. If all else fails, reinstalling the app completely can resolve persistent language issues by giving you a fresh installation with proper language detection. It's important to understand that some elements in the app may remain in English even after changing your language settings. This happens due to real-time updates and third-party integrations. Here are the best practices every DoorDash driver should follow when using the app in their preferred language. First, familiarize yourself with key functions in your chosen language. Practice navigating the most important features like accepting orders, marking deliveries complete, and accessing earnings. Keep translation apps ready for customer interactions. While the app interface may be in your language, you might still need to communicate with customers in English or other languages. Update the app regularly to get the latest language improvements and report any translation issues through the in-app feedback system to help DoorDash improve the experience. Finally, connect with local driver communities for language-specific tips and support. Other drivers in your area can share valuable insights about using the app effectively in your preferred language. DoorDash is continuously investing in language support improvements. They're working on cultural adaptation beyond simple translation, real-time translation features, and enhanced accessibility for drivers with different literacy levels.